Yep.
I know you're not ready, but this is just in case Bill falls in.
That was sneaky. Well, sure of one thing. There's fish out there. It hit me just as I was about to get it settled. Sir. No, sir? Nope.
This is Rusty now. We're out here on the Hawking River in Ohio as an extension of our ramp adventure. Uncle Bill and old Hillbilly are down there trying to catch some channel cat out there.
We trying to catch whatever we can get, sir.
They're fishing with chicken livers and night crawlers. Uncle Bill's got the night crawlers.
And minnows.
And minnows. Yeah. So we got a variety of baits, and they're trying to get a hold of a channel cat out here. I want to give you some video of that. Technical difficulties here. Nice Uncle Bill down there.
I mean, the technical difficulty might be the guy behind the camera today.
Technically, I'm having no difficulties.
Debatable.
That's Uncle Bill down there. That's what we're dealing with. The Hawking River. That's White's Mill over there. Nice waterfall.
Obviously, I'm going to be set up right here.
Hillbilly with the chicken livers. It's a good fishing day. We got some other folks down the line here that are doing a little bit of fishing too. Now,
bro, I've had them been.
I'm so very proud of my fellow YouTubers here. They get out here every so often and go and spend money on nice things for the fish to snack on. Come out here and pretty much, hand feed them piece by piece. Amazing conservationists.
Fish on, baby.
Oh, we got something. Got something.
Oh, that's a decent little channel.
Got something here.
Very nice, Crazy.
Nice eater right there.
Yes, sir.
Good fish.
I don't know. Maybe in one of their tackle. Have y'all got a stringer in your tackle? I got the multi-tool over here. Oh yeah.
Bill's got something locked in. I'm betting it's an old boot. No, Bill got it. What you got there, Bill?
Little white bass? Drum. All right.
All right. Is that a keeper or no?
Is this a keeper? He feels like a keeper.
Good job, Uncle Bill.
And fish on.
Yeah, Hillbilly.
That's awesome.
All right. What are you going to do with it? I don't know. Okay.
What you got there, Hillbilly?
Yes, sir.
Another channel cat?
Well, you gonna come out? You'd think where it's hooked up.
I don't want to fool right now. We catch up at home.
Drum?
Drum.
Okay. Well, that's fine. We'll put them back, but first, gotta get. Yeah, please. I got a good grip on them. Oh, I got a good grip on her. They spawn.
Hillbilly on a hot streak now. Oh, what do you got?
Another channel.
3 little channel cats. That's awesome. That is awesome. That's 3 in within 5 minutes or so. He's on a streak.
Showing them how to fish.
Hillbilly's hung up out there. He's trying to get loose. And we're just hoping he'll fall in the water. Oh, he got loose. Maybe next time. Ain't that why I call it fishing and not catching?
Yeah. All right, folks, we just got back from fishing, and we got 3 keeper-sized catfish. I still got 1 in the bucket here. We're gonna fillet these up, and we're gonna grill these in a Japanese style and make a unagi bowl, which is typically done with eel, but we're gonna try it with catfish. When you do unagi style, you leave the skin on. There's our fillets. We're gonna do the other 3 catfish, and we'll get back at it. We flayed up our catfish, and we're gonna make up our sauce. And we wasn't recording, I got ahead of ourselves, but I put a bottle of Kikkoman soy sauce. I use traditional because that's the true Japanese soy sauce. And then equal amounts of mirin, which is a sweet cooking rice seasoning. And it says equal amounts, but I need to save a little bit to season the rice with. So we're going to put most of it in there, but not all. We'll save some for the rice. Okay. Now we got to add some sugar to this, and then we're going to let it simmer and make a sauce. And we're going to grill our catfish, and we'll put it together.
All right.
All right, so we got our mixture here. Getting it to a simmer, and we're going to add some sugar. I'm just going to do it by taste. It is a if you like sushi and ever had the eel with that dark glaze on it, that is unagi sauce. So it's kind of a sweet, salty sweet sauce.
If y'all can't tell,
It's hot.
it's hot. What do you think? A little hot?
A little hot.
A little hot.
Just a little bit more sugar. You know, remember, soy sauce is so real salty. It takes a lot of sugar to get that toned down.
Ooh, we're about to get flambe going right here. If you're wondering how to work out a glaze, it's a lot of heat to get the sugar to pretty much caramelize.
And reduce your liquids.
Mm-hmm.
I think once, well, it's going to intensify on saltiness too, so just a little bit more. You can also add sake to this as an option. I didn't have any. That's good.
And to be honest, it probably wouldn't have made it into the sauce anyway. We might be fans of sake. So what we doing here, Hillbilly?
I'm going to take it off the heat because I couldn't mess with it because with so much heat around it. And we're going to test it, make sure it's thickened up and ready to use. All right. So you take some of your unagi and you just put a light coat on your fish.
This thing is ridiculously hot, so if you hear him scream, understand even Hillbilly has some feeling left in his hand.
I am improvising here to try to figure out. Oh.
Oh yeah. So what's the process here?
So we're going to grill up the catfish, and then it's going to go over a bed of sushi rice, and then we'll drizzle it with a little bit more of the sauce, and put some. Usually you put green onion on it. We're probably going to just chop up some ramps, or actually we may use some of the homeowners' dried ramp powder.
Oh yeah.
Sprinkle over the top.
Good stuff. Well, we'll be back when the fish is cooked.
All right, guys, excuse all the extra food on the table. We are filming 2 videos at once. But we got our rice here for our unagi bowls, and it's just plain white. Excuse me, no, it's not. This is instant jasmine rice.
Ooh, nice.
And we're taking the rest of our mirin, and we're just going to flavor the rice with it. And just cut that in. They call them, you can do sushi balls with the fish on it, or you can do a bowl. We're going to do a bowl on a plate.
Yeah, because some of us forgot to get bowls.
So plate it up, you just put it over your sushi, piece of fish over your sushi rice, drizzle it with a little more sauce, and then we're going to top it off with some ramp powder. So the folks that own the property, they took some of the ramps and put in their food dehydrator and then crumbled up into a powder.
Oh yeah. All right.
All right.
What do you think there, Cove?
This was my favorite today.
Is it?
It's the fish, yeah. It's good.
It's good. Well, we'll take your word for it for now. We'll try some here in a minute.
Okay.
All right, guys, we're going to suck the bug down my throat. That went. All right, so